quite an exciting update for me to share this time because it's all about windows, and I'm very particular about windows. It's one thing that I've actually learned to love about building passive houses, the quality of windows that you can have and how you can, or how it almost draws you to eliminate the mullions and transom. Those are the bits that go across, and obviously the news I'm trying to tell you is that they have started to put in the windows. There's still quite a bit of work to do, but it's underway, and we've been blocked for a little while as we got the engineers just to check out a few things, because these windows are very heavy triple glazed windows and they're not small windows. But that is pretty exciting to see that in and to start to get a feel for how the acoustic changes as well. Once you put the window in, they've got a generator running in the background over there, and I can only hear it because there's one of the windows that they haven't put in yet. But otherwise, even though there's a huge great gap around the outside at the moment, it's amazing how much sound gets blocked out by those windows. So this will be our retreat. The other thing that you may be able to see is cables here, there and everywhere. As the first fix cracks on, they were obviously hoping to get these windows in much earlier. So I think they've even worked across the weekend to make the progress that they have done. Well, I'm just going to pop in here because this will be the family bathroom, and obviously one of the tricky aspects of our build is that we're very close to neighbours and we want to make sure that we maintain their privacy. So this is actually obscured glass, and it's one thing looking at it thinking, is this actually obscured? But you can see now I can't see a thing. No, I can't see through there, so that's brilliant. All good. I think they're holding off on doing the window in here just until they can get some more stuff. I think I'm not sure what they want to bring in, but there is more to come. So yeah, it's a really good update to bring you, to see these windows coming in. It really does become more of a building. You can see all sorts of cables going everywhere. I think we've got another meeting tomorrow with the electrician just to finalise a few bits and pieces downstairs.